Hi students. So in the previous sessions we have seen two different lessons, that is the fundamental unit of life, that is the cell, and the one more, that is the tissue. So from those two lessons we have concluded that all the organisms, they are made by the cells. So in the unicellular organisms the only single cell is present, but in the multicellular organisms, so many cells, they join together, they form the tissue, and many tissues, they are going to form the organs. So many organs helps in the formation of a complete body. So all the cells, we have seen the many types of cells in the body. So all the cells, they are made by many type of the chemical substances such as the proteins, lipids, fats, and many other organic and inorganic components. So already we know that all the organs of our body, they are going to work independently, but they are interconnected. They are not completely independent. They are working their proper work. So heart is beating, brain is thinking, so the kidney are going to filter the blood, so the lungs are they are going to exchange in the gases. So like that only all the other organs also, they are going to perform their own functions. So here they are not completely independent. Suppose all the internal organs, they are interconnected. So how we are going to define this one means, suppose the kidneys are not working properly, so it is not going to filter the blood properly. So the poisonous substances which are present in the body, if they are not going to filterize properly, that time it is going to accumulate completely in the body. So the poisonous substances, they are going to accumulate in the body. So that time if it is going to spread to the brain, that time the brain is not going to work properly, so our body will not be in our control. So like this we can see all the other organs also. So the pancreas, suppose it is not going to produce the insulin in the proper amount, so the body blood sugar level is going to change, it is going to vary. So like that, if we are going to get more amount of iodine or more amount of fat substances in from our food, so the rate of breathing or the beating of the heart, it will be varies. So they are all interconnected. So like that only here, if all the organs are working together in the proper manner, so we consider that one as the healthy person. That person will be considered as the healthy person. So if any one organ of our body is not going to work in the proper manner, so it means he will be not a healthy person. Okay, so is it correct? So here one question will arise. Suppose if a person is going to work, if he is good with his body organs, so if he is good physically, suppose he is going to consider in the physical health, so he is not completely healthy person, because two more aspects are there which are going to conclude, which are going to give you the complete meaning of the health. So that is the mental health as well as the social health. Suppose a person who is physically, mentally and socially well-being, then only we consider the person as the healthy person. Okay, so here in this lesson we are going to discuss about why do we fall ill, why we are getting diseases, why we are not going to feel well. So what are the reasons? So what is the health, what is the difference between the healthy person and what is the difference between the disease free person? So there are so many kinds of things are there to discuss in this lesson. So in the next session definitely we will start the different concepts that will give you the more interesting matters. So keep study, be in touch with the subject. Thank you and have a nice day.